Are you having problems with refund not showing on your Venmo and you want to be able to fix it? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this issue. But the first step is going to be for you to just close your Venmo app. So just close your Venmo app, and instead you're going to open up your settings app on your phone. So open up your settings app, and now you should be taken here, as you can see. And now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down and then click on general. So click on general. In here, scroll down again and click on storage, as you can see. And now it's going to take a couple of seconds for us to actually load this page in here completely. What will happen then is that when you have loaded everything in here, you will be able to scroll down, and then you will be able to find the Venmo app. And in there, I was actually myself able to fix this issue. So I'm just going to scroll down now. So we're going to keep scrolling down and then click on Venmo right here. So click on Venmo, then you're going to click on Upload App. Once again, click on Upload App in here, and just going to wait and click on the blue button here once again. And now you're just going to wait for it to auto update to the latest version, and then you're going to go back and see if it's now working. If it's not working, well, then you're going to contact the Venmo support on the app, and they're going to be able to take another look for you. But this should probably fix, I would say, like 90% of the problem is going to be fixed by auto updating your Venmo app. This was able to fix it for me, so this helped me. So I hope that this will also help you as well.